Let me show you step by step how to start affiliate marketing in 2026. There are plenty of ways to make money online. Hundreds of people are coming to the internet searching for ways to make money online. One of the best ways to make money online is affiliate marketing. What is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is you promote someone else's product and they pay you a commission for every sale that you generate for them. Now, you can promote digital products, you can promote physical products. I have been in this business for over 12 years and I have helped thousands and thousands of people make money online as an affiliate. Some of my students have become multiple 6 and 7 figure earners, and some of my students have become top mentors and coach where they are helping other people make money online. In this video, I'm going to give you the overview of affiliate marketing, what you can do to launch your business today so you can rock and roll in 2026. Okay, so let's get into this. Why affiliate marketing? Number one, affiliate marketing is 100% beginners friendly. It doesn't require any kind of technical skills. It doesn't require any experience. Yes, it does require education. It does require you to have some type of knowledge on how to choose the product, how to find the product, what to look for when it comes to promoting a product, which are the top networks that you should join to promote products, and how to promote that product, advertise that product, and which is called traffic generation, generating traffic and driving traffic to that product so you can make commission. So you need this knowledge, okay? But it doesn't require any kind of technical skills. You don't need a website. You don't need to have to create a blog. You don't have to phone call people. You don't have to chase people. Okay, it's just a simple step-by-step process that if you follow these steps, you will able to launch your affiliate marketing business, and then you could scale from there. Okay, so the first step when it comes to affiliate marketing, where normally people would come to join to promote products, is a network called ClickBank. Now, ClickBank is an affiliate network. It's not a bank account. A lot of people believe it's a bank account. So when they hear the word ClickBank, straight away they will move away from it because they believe it's a bank, and I'm not interested in creating a bank account. No, this is not a bank account. This is a network called ClickBank. It's a network that has thousands and thousands of products for you to promote. It has physical products, but most of the products they have is digital products. Digital product is basically when someone purchases a product, instead of him getting, that person, the buyer, getting a postal shipment of the product, he will receive an email with access to the product online, where there will be a course or a training video or members area, login details, etc. Or if he purchased a book, it will be a digital download with an email saying that, hey, here's the link, click this link and download your book, download your course, download the training videos. That's called a digital product. Everything is moving into digital, and it's one of the easiest way to start making money online. Okay, so ClickBank is free to join. Just head over to clickbank.com, create your free account, and once you have created your free account, then what you want to do is you just want to go to the settings and enter your postal address. Make sure that's accurate, because the first 2 payments ClickBank is going to send you is going to be paycheck, and after that you can go into the settings and set up electronic payments where they will make a direct transfer into your bank account. Once you have done everything and everything is sorted, you just want to go to the ClickBank marketplace and you're going to find all these products. So you could see here there are health and fitness, e-business marketing, spiritual, self-help, home and gardens. You could just, and if you could go into the left hand side, go to all, and you could see the categories and the subcategories as well. Okay, so if I just come to business investing, then you could see it has foreign exchange, general, international business, marketing and sales, etc. If I go to education, you will see education materials. If I go to e-business and e-marketing, then you will see affiliate marketing, article marketing, you will see blog marketing, you will see e-commerce operation, etc., etc. So the question is, which niche should you choose? The biggest advice I would give here is that if you're passionate about something that you've been doing for quite some time, I highly recommend you choose that niche, because that if you're going to choose one of the products from that niche, then you're going to make a lot of money, okay, promoting products from that niche, and you're never going to give up if you come across any kind of challenges. So if you are, for instance, a lot of people are interested in home and gardens, okay? So if you're someone who's passionate about home and gardens, you could just go to home and gardens, and then you can choose one of the products from home and gardens and promote that product. And if you come across any challenge, which is normal to happen because it's a business, you're not going to give up because you're passionate. So here's a great product related to home and gardens, related to Ted's Woodworking, okay? So you can promote something like this, Ted's Woodworking, and they will pay you up to 50% commission every time you generate a sale for them, okay? Normally, the two top niche that people normally go for the products is e-business, e-marketing, which is related to make money online, and health and fitness. And that is because they have a lot of competition. Everyone is looking for ways to make money online. Everyone is looking for ways to lose weight and keep themselves healthy. So if you go into these two type of product, you're going to find a lot of products to promote, and hopefully you can make a lot of money as well, just because there is money to be made. Okay, now once you have chosen a niche, you want to choose a product. It's very simple. You just want to scroll through these products. You could sort out the products by going here, you could see here high to low, conversions, high to low, initial sale, future, gravity. Anything you don't just understand, just come here, hover your mouse, and it will just explain you what this means. The gravity, EPC, CVR. The gravity is the main one that you want to look for, okay, because that's where people, that's where you know that if the product is good, if the product is converting, and will affiliates make any kind of money. When you are ready with a product, it's simple. You just want to come here, click on get affiliate link, put in your nickname here, okay, and just click on continue, scroll down, okay, and then in that link, you're going to find this long link. And this is the link that you're going to use. You're going to be driving people to this link. You're going to drive traffic to this link, which is called a real human visitor. And every time someone clicks this link, purchases the product, you're going to make a commission. And you will be able to see that commission on your homepage dashboard of ClickBank. So you don't have to worry about anything, any kind of technical stuff, accounting, where to find the commissions. Everything will be just sorted. Your job is just to get your affiliate link, drive traffic to it, and quality traffic, targeted traffic, where people can buy the product, and every time someone purchases this product, you're going to make a commission, okay? Also, you will find this helpful where you can see the affiliate page where you will find resources for this product. So if you just click on this link here, you will find a lot of resources that's giving you to promote this product. So it's a win-win. When you use the resources, you can make sales with this product, and at the same time, it's going to help you make money online, and it helps the vendor as well. All right. So if I just scroll down, you can see here he's giving away everything. All right. So if I just come here to the resource page, you will see he's giving us landing pages, graphic, PPC keywords, demographic, and Facebook emails, for everything for you to promote this product. Okay. So this is just one network. There's another network called Warrior Plus. Now, Warrior Plus is a great affiliate marketing platform where you can promote thousands of digital products. I've never seen a physical product on this platform. They only have digital products. They are a bit different to ClickBank, okay? When it comes to Warrior Plus, their product ranges from $7, so the starting point is very, very low. So the initial sale is low, and because of that, the initial commission, which can be 50%, 75%, will be very, very low. But it adds up because of the upsell pages that they have, the upsell products that they have. So if one person purchases one product, if he just buys the initial product, you might just make $3 or $4 in commissions. But if he goes ahead and purchases all the upsells as well related to that product, which normally happens, you will end up making anywhere from $100 to up to $400 in commissions. I want to say this because people get put off when they come to Warrior Plus and they see the initial sale price and they say, I'm just going to get paid 50% commission. It's not worth my time because I'm only getting paid $3 or $4. You can make a lot of money with this affiliate network, and you can make a lot of money when you know how to drive traffic. Okay. The third network that you can go and join is called Digistore24. Digistore24 is an alternative to ClickBank. So ClickBank recently updated their program, the system, the marketplace, and because of that, a lot of countries have been suspended and banned to join ClickBank. So if your country is not listed on ClickBank for any reason, then unfortunately you can't promote ClickBank products. There's a problem here. So what you can do is you can either go to Warrior Plus, register your free account and promote Warrior Plus products, or you can go to Digistore24, which is alternative to ClickBank, and promote Digistore24 products. They have so many products, thousands of digital products. They have low ticket products that pays you $20, $50, $70. They have high ticket products as well that can pay you up to $500 and even $1,000 in commissions. And like I said, it's an alternative to ClickBank, and they are accepting everyone from every country. So if for any reason you're not accepted in ClickBank or your country is not listed, no worries. Just come to Digistore24 and you can promote their product. Joining Digistore24 is free of charge. Okay. So these are the top 3 affiliate networks I have given you to promote digital products online. There are so many other networks and platforms out there too. If you're interested in promoting physical products as an affiliate, then you can head over to Amazon and you can promote their product and platform, and they have physical products. You can become a seller to sell products, and you can also become an affiliate to promote Amazon products. Now, normally what people would do is when they choose a product on any of these networks, they will just get their affiliate links and start smashing it out there to get that sale. That's called desperate. Don't become desperate, because when you become desperate, you mess up, and when you mess up, things go the other way around. What you want to do instead is whichever product you have decided to promote, you want to create a mini landing page for that product. The reason you want to do that is because when you do that, you're staying on the safe side. You could promote that landing page on social media platforms. You're not going to get suspended, and also you're building a real solid internet business with an email list of subscribers, so you can promote different products and different opportunities over and over again. Now, what is a landing page? A landing page will look something just like this. Okay, so this is a landing page I built using a platform which is called the System platform. Okay, and it's free. Okay, so I built this landing page. It took me 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, they give you done for you templates. I built this landing page. So people come here, they read this information, they click on here, and then they enter the email address here, and whatever email they enter here, they will click here to get access now, and they will be redirected to the product that I am promoting. Okay, so this is my landing page. Now you can create several landing pages depending on the product you're promoting, but whatever you're going to do, just make sure that the text that you have on this landing page matches the product that you're promoting on the other side. Okay, it has to be congruent. Don't promote something that is completely different than the text that's on this landing page. And if you want to do, then make sure you have a disclaimer at the bottom telling people what they can expect on the other side of the product and what this landing page is all about. So I have talked about this landing page and all about this in very much details in my previous video, so make sure you watch that video. It explains everything in more details, what this product is all about and how to create these mini landing pages. Okay, so the last and final thing that you need to do to become a successful affiliate marketer and launch your business and how to start a affiliate marketing business in 2026 is traffic generation. You need to drive traffic to, whether you're driving the traffic to the product or whether you're driving traffic to the landing page, you need to drive traffic. If you don't know how to get traffic, you're not going to make money. You could have the most beautiful website, you could have the most beautiful landing page, but if you can't get traffic, you can't make money. Okay, now there are plenty of networks to generate traffic, plenty of ways to get free and paid traffic. In this video, I'm going to just share one of the traffic sources. If you want to learn in-depth details about this traffic source, how to buy the traffic, how to find the best people on this traffic network, then watch my previous video, which I just uploaded a couple of days ago. Watch that, because in there I explain everything in much details about this traffic network. Now, the traffic network is this network here where you buy email traffic. This is called email traffic. With email traffic, you buy people who has similar list. Okay, you buy traffic, they come to your page just like this, they enter the email, and you're building a list of subscribers. You're building a list of people that's interested in what you have to offer. Now, most people will not buy instantly, but at the same time, you're going to set up email follow-ups, email sequences, completely automation, where every day one email will go out to these people who enters the email, so they can go back to that same product that you are promoting, and then they can decide to purchase. Most people will buy after seeing that product around anywhere from 3 to 7 times. Okay, so this is how you're going to make money, and this is how you're going to make affiliate commission. So this is a network, traffic network that you can join. It's free to join this network, and then when you're ready to buy some traffic, you just want to come here, click on this buy solos here. Okay, make sure the setting, all this is just like this that you're seeing on the screen, and then you will find people who are selling traffic down here. Okay, and you want to get started with 300 clicks, and then you want to scale yourself up. All right, so this was just an overview of giving you on how to start affiliate marketing in 2026, how to launch a successful affiliate marketing business. I will be coming up with more in-depth details video about affiliate marketing, about make money online, and how to turn your internet and how to turn your passion into automated cash machines. So stay tuned for all of this. Thank you for watching my video.